this flow duct is breaking down. It's got a definite crack there. It's also coming apart here, so we're going to replace that. In order to get to this bolt here, we're going to take off this cover. Now you turn these connectors here counterclockwise to release them, and then you simply pull up. Now we have access to that. This is a 10mm socket. Now we want to take off this clip, which you press in from the side and move. Might be easier with some pliers. We can pull this hose off now. Looks like we're going to have to pry it off with a screwdriver. This will come out. I think this was supposed to be here. Let's just move it out of the way and then pull. This end just has a spring clip that holds it in place. Comes out like that. Now we have to save these parts and put them on the new one. Here's the brand new one. We're going to have to connect the part here and here. These are more 10mm sockets. And then these parts just pull out. I bought some new clips here, but I need two of these small ones. Didn't order the right amount, so I'm going to have to reuse one of the old ones. Just install the new clip here and fit in this part. Then we'll tighten them up. A little off center. It's a little tricky. Well, it's a little tricky, but you can get it done. I will just snug that down so it doesn't fall off. Oh, we'll have to take this off. I have a new clip. There's a little notch here that goes around a boss. Just wiggle it into place. This wire goes through here. And around here and plugs in till it snaps. On this side we just have to wiggle it into place. But I think we should tighten this down first so it doesn't come off. This is the part of the tube that butts up against a boss there. On this side, there's a tab that goes in between these two bosses. Just have to wiggle it into place. Gotta put this on. Let's not forget that. Now we just line up the pegs with those holes. Redo these fasteners. And we're done. There's our new airflow tube.